This is a Cemex Rugby plant. We're a cement manufacturer and supplier based in Rugby. Part of our process uses bucket elevators to take our cement products from the ground floor up about 30 or 40 metres up into our separator system before it's blown off to our silos. We carry out regular inspections, at least a minimum of every 2 weeks on every elevator on site, and when we find failures or potential failures, we rectify them, such as replacing buckets if they're damaged, or replacing and changing the chain if we identify it as being damaged before it fails. So following a global safety alert, it was highlighted the fact that without restraining the elevators physically, there is a high risk of people getting injured either cleaning or carrying out maintenance to the bucket elevators. So the risk of injury was mainly highlighted due to a failure of the non-return gearbox clutch at the top. This would allow the bucket elevator to start rotating. Part of the safety alert that we received was that this had caught a person's clothing or part of their body and seriously injured them. The solution that we came up with was the Bucket Elevator Mechanical Isolation Safety System, or BEMIS. Very simply, it's a way of securing the elevator to prevent it rotating by inserting a calculated weight bar in at fixed points, either 2 or 3 points depending on size of the elevator. This in turn will stop the elevator rotating should either the gearbox fail or should the chain fracture. It's good for us to use, it's very simple, but it also gives us peace of mind knowing that we can work safely around the bucket elevators, knowing that we can all go home safely at the end of the day